Hi, I'm Ben Russell-Smith, CEO at Triple R Lights. Today I'm going to talk to you about grill kits. So we've got a whole lot of grill kits available for the US market, and this is an exciting innovation that we developed about 7 or 8 years ago back here in Europe. Grill kits are a unique way for us to mount LED light bars, high power LED lights into the front end of vehicles reliably, quickly, and with excellent durability. So the way that we do this, we enable the customer to mount the light to their existing grill. So we don't need the customer to replace the grill. They don't even need to remove the grill during installation. What they'll receive when they receive the grill kit is they receive cutting guides, which allow the customer to clip on the cutting guides to the OE grill, and then they can cut exactly in the position that is prescribed by our engineers here in the UK and also our team in Arizona, where we do the fitting trials before releasing the product. After they've cut down the cutting guides, they remove those pieces, they mount the brackets to the light, and then they insert the light into those openings on the grill. They secure the light, and then the wiring is the only thing left to do. But that process of fitting the lights can be down at 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that kind of time, compared with a traditional fender off or grill off in order to fit something onto a structure behind. All of our products are validated by the US team when we do the installation, and also our engineers here in the UK are also validating the performance of the install during the development phase. In terms of the types of products that we can mount in the grills, so we've got a number of different types of light which are used for the grill kits, and it really depends on the vehicle and also the application, and that's what helps us to choose which light to put in. So on the one hand, we've got the Ineos Grenadier kit where we've put in the 7-inch Sentinel products. We've also got kits like the TRD Pro, where we're using the Carbon 2 lights, which are a really nice solution. Also on that vehicle, we have available, for example, a Linear 18 product. There are then other kits where we have the LR series, so whether that be the LR750, the 850, the LR1000, or the bigger light bars. But sometimes we choose to mount the lights in places other than the grill, so we do also have vehicle integration solutions, including the roof mount kits. Really nice way to get lights mounted up high, so you're not going to see any shadow on the road. That is also including a no drill solution, by the way, for those customers wanting to mount the light without needing to go through the roof. Also the Carbon 2 fog light kits. So these are SAE DOT approved fog lights. We've got these kits available for vehicles like the Bronco, Mercedes Sprinter, Land Cruiser LC250. So yeah, please do have a look at our website. All of the different grill kits are shown there, and you can see for your vehicle which is the right grill kit to use. Inside the box, it also comes with the wiring, so you can be sure that when you get the kit, it is a all-included solution, and you can get started straight away. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time.